We'll guide you through how to make Instagram highlights. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on our Instagram profile, and so you can go and make and add highlights on here. This is a cool way of going and showing your previous stories, because otherwise they go and disappear after 24 hours. So press your profile icon in the bottom right, and then come to the top right and press on the 3 lines. That will go and open up your settings and activity. Go down and go and find archive. At the top here, make sure you go and select Stories Archive. You can then go and see your stories here. Choose one of them you want to make an archive with. I'm going to use this one here. Choose one of them you want to make a highlight with. I'll select this one here. Press highlight in the bottom right, and then we can go and add it to highlights. We can make one pressing the plus. Give it a name. I could go and name this Summer. Press add. Then we can go and press view on profile, and there it is. Now what you can do is go and tap and hold on it, and I'm going to go and press edit highlight, press stories to the right, and you can then go and start adding more. Press done in the top right. Now you can easily go and add more by pressing new, and you can create another highlight as well.